Hey guys, it's Vinny.
And Sammy. We're here to talk about the new drone we got.
It's only a $200 drone. We've never flown a drone before. Well, we have, but they didn't survive. So.
Our first drone I crash landed on our house. So I'm a little nervous about flying this drone, but Vinny did some research and it seems like it might be a very user-friendly drone.
All the videos we watch were pretty plug and play. You press a button and the drone does its own thing. You don't need a remote. However, there is a remote in here which allows you to go a greater distance. You can control it from your phone as well, which allows you to manually control the drone. So I figured this is the safest bet for us to actually be able to capture drone footage.
Yes. So when you bought this, you had an option to buy it without the remote?
I did.
Okay.
I chose to get the remote so that if we wanted to be able to get it to go over water or go, a further distance away from us, that was a good option. And it ended up being about $350 for the whole package. It has 3 batteries. Well, let's just open it up and see.
Yeah, let's check it out. Okay. It looks like. Let's just take everything out. What's in this box? Okay, so we've got...
It looks like the battery pack.
Yeah, 3 batteries.
And the charger.
And the charger. Okay.
Is there anything else in there?
Nope, nothing in there. It's like some accessories.
So it looks like we have, let's open this up real quick. See what we got here. It looks like we have a little charging cable. Or something of that. Yeah, a little charging cable and a couple extra little propellers. So we have a couple extra propellers and some screws. What else do we have?
Okay, let's see. Looks like this one is the remote control.
So let's take a look at the remote. Okay, so with the remote, it looks like you have your little joysticks. They just store right here, right on the back side of it, and you screw them in to be able to do all the joystick action. And here is, I believe, where you can throw your phone in here to control your drone through the DJI app. So that's cool.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Okay, what else do we have? All right, so in here we have the drone. It is tiny.
The little tiny drone. Look at this thing. It is just, it fits in the palm of my hand. You can actually take it off from the palm of your hand. I guess you just press the button and it goes and does its thing. We're going to try this out and we're going to try to see if we can not crash this thing.
We're going to charge the batteries, and it looks like also comes with all the instructions. So yeah. One
thing I wasn't sure about was, do we need an SD card for this thing? Apparently it has like a 22 gig little hard drive, little storage in here. So you're able to fly it, do its thing, download it through the app, or just plug it into your computer and take that footage and use it as you wish. So let's try to get this thing to fly.
Fingers crossed.
Right.
I hope that I don't crash. Can I feel how heavy? Oh, it's so light. So some of the videos we watched, it's just gonna take off from our hand and it's supposed to come back to you.
Let's see. There you go.
You have to hold it down after you select it.